What is going on, everybody? My name is GarrettsArchive. I'm a fashion and editorial photographer based out in LA. I'm going to be showing you what it's really like to shoot a fashion campaign.
Fuck I did y'all. Niggas hate on me like I did something personal. I shake it off. I know beef don't last, so when y'all get into it, I'm not involved. Cause I'll take shit too far. Next thing I know, y'all boys done hugged it out. And I took on your beef, shit on got deep past the initial brawl. Now my exes speak on me in vain. I got love for them all. Nothing against them girls, I got my own hurdles I'm trying to cross. Rather you care for me or just need something, still gonna break you off. Cause you came out your way, got on this plane just to come top me off. Let me see your birthday suit. What's your debt? I pay it off. No way I'm content, it's brand new goals, can't wait to check them off. Ride on with my dyke, 2 cups of Sprite, we bound to set it off. Niggas must not like Creek, they dig ride me till I'm bathtub soft. And I still go mask off, pull out like sketchy investors. Wake up, work my ass off, I let bitches blast off. Promoters tryna book the boat, I can't wait to go hit the function. Give a fuck how many come, if it's empty, oh it's jumping. They thought I took psychedelics, I told them they cash talks. 20 pints codeine, 3 M's and ice inside my bank vault. Judge asked me why I got that white Ferrari, it's Frank's fault. Got geeked up in Frankfurt, check the squad, ain't lost. Endure all the pain first, love coming up back in. I ride in old schools, fish bowls, count in. Fuck whoever hating, piss on that grave, I let my drain age. And these walls so sweet, keep pouring false, might make my tooth decay. They always got something to say, fuck the race, we deeply rich. Even when this shit got cold, 10 toes, I'll never switch. Stand what you believe for, you fall for it all. Friendly reminder, bitch, it's us, every day we ball. We ball. It's us.
This is the second video campaign that I've done this year, which I'm really excited about because I'm usually known for just doing stills and lighting, and I really want to get into a different avenue this year. And that's part of what these videos are, just kind of showing BTS of what's going on and me talking a little bit more, because sometimes I feel a bit awkward in front of the camera, which I think we all can be. So hopefully this helps you guys out to see what it's like. Let me know what you guys thought of this whole BTS breakdown video, and even like the campaign video that I shot, and even the stills. Let me know what you guys liked. Also, like I said, it's my second time doing a video campaign, so really would like some pointers. And same thing, this is my first time doing a BTS talking head video for my photo shoots. I usually never talk in front of the camera, so let me know what you guys like to see. I would love to fucking keep doing this. Like, comment, subscribe, share with people. If you're trying to get into fucking campaign photography or clothing brand photography, shoot a comment. We could chat. DM me on Instagram at GarrettsArchive. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Till next time, if there's a next time.